Hi, I'm Rene Lincoln with RE/MAX Alliance. In this video, I'm going to talk about buying and selling a home at the same time. You could buy first, then sell. You could sell first and then buy. Yet another option is a simultaneous close known as a concurrent sale. Before you attempt any of these things, however, there are some things you need to know. The first thing you do is review your finances. Getting pre-qualified with a lender will let you know exactly how much home you can afford. You should also discuss how much you can sell your home for so we can determine your equity and what you'll be able to put towards a down payment. Here's how you should go about attacking each of the 3 strategies I mentioned. If you choose to buy first, you can enjoy your search without the pressure of having to sell a home. You also won't need temporary housing and you can move without the rush. However, you could be exposed to paying for 2 mortgages at the same time, and the other issue is unknown equity. We can provide an estimate, but we won't know for sure what that figure is until you sell. If you choose to sell first, the good thing is you know exactly how much equity you'll have for the new house, and you won't have to pay for 2 mortgages at once. You may, however, need to look for some temporary housing through a family member, friend, or lease back with a buyer. Buying and selling at the same time is certainly doable, but it will take some pre-planning and financial finagling. You also have to be flexible. We've done this successfully for many clients. I'm Rene Lincoln with RE/MAX Alliance, and whether you're buying, selling, or building, I'm here for you. I'll see you back here next month.